Lithonia Lighting, an Acuity Brands company, has been a trusted lighting manufacturer for over 60 years. During the 6 decades of service to the lighting industry, Lithonia Lighting has been at the forefront of high-quality and innovative lighting solutions. In the past 2 years, Lithonia Lighting has launched several new highly efficient LED-based lighting fixtures with great success. To help customers better understand LEDs and their potential to revolutionize the lighting industry, we would like to take a few minutes to answer some common questions around LED technology. Our training modules begin with basic LED information, then move forward by explaining how LEDs fit into the future lighting market. Continuing on with the training modules, Lithonia Lighting helps distributors identify potential customers and applications that could be improved with LED lighting solutions. As the training modules conclude, we will demonstrate how Lithonia Lighting's LED products can solve customer needs. Over the last 40 years, advancements in LED technology have launched this light source into a resource bright enough to illuminate any application. Understanding the basics is simple. Most of the LEDs used in the lighting industry are comprised of a base, a diode, and a protective lens. These 3 main components are usually attached to a PC board. When electricity passes from the PC board through the base and across the diode, the LED illuminates. Essentially, the diode acts like a filament in a traditional incandescent lamp. The main difference is the diode in an LED is very resilient. It is made of a solid crystal, which makes it more rugged. This characteristic is why LEDs are a solid-state lighting source and also explain why they can be used in a number of applications that traditional lighting sources cannot. The last major aspect of how an LED works relates to heat. Contrary to what most people think, LEDs do give off heat. Instead of the heat radiating from the front of the light source like an incandescent, HID, or fluorescent lamp, an LED dissipates the heat backwards through the base and PC board. That is why many LED fixtures have large heat sinks connected to the back of the PC board. LEDs will soon become the preferred light source over traditional light sources. For starters, LEDs operate using very low wattage, but still provide the same amount of light as traditional sources. Today, LEDs are up to 80% more efficient than incandescent lamps and up to 30% more efficient than fluorescent lamps. LEDs are a more durable light source that don't have fragile filaments and therefore don't break easily. Not only are LEDs themselves more rugged, but when paired with a well-designed fixture, LEDs are made to last for about 50,000 hours over the life of the fixture. The durability in the LED itself, paired with a well-designed fixture, makes LED solutions a more cost-effective alternative when looking at maintenance costs over the life of a fixture. LEDs are also better for the environment. They are non-toxic, do not emit UV radiation, and do not contain harmful mercury often found in today's traditional light sources. Another major advantage for LEDs is the ability to control them. Since LEDs are connected to a digital printed circuit board, controls can be directly embedded in each fixture, allowing for optimal control including zone controlling and the ability to create special effects. Not only are LEDs inherently energy efficient, the ability to control them through sensors, photocells, or wall stations allows LED fixtures to have light on only when you need it. Therefore, your fixtures will not waste energy by overlighting a space. Even the most energy-efficient fixtures waste energy when they overlight a space. In most cases, these benefits combine to give LED light fixtures a better overall total cost of ownership over conventional lighting systems. Over the lifespan of their systems, LED systems will cost less and save more energy than incandescent and CFL systems. There are many LED manufacturers trying to take advantage of the LED boom, but not all LEDs are of good quality. There are many cheaply manufactured LED fixtures out there that are tarnishing the industry's reputation by providing subpar performance. There are several technical differences that can affect an LED fixture's performance. 2 of the most critical are the fixture design and the quality of LEDs utilized in the fixture. Take a look at this example. Some of the fixtures have a white and even bluish tint, while others look yellow. Even though all of the fixtures shown are the exact same product, their color temperature is drastically different. A low-quality spec was chosen for this LED fixture. LED binning is a major concern for lighting manufacturers designing fixtures around LEDs. It's the process by which LED manufacturers group LEDs together in bins by quality and consistency of critical performance attributes, such as light output, color, and power consumption. The binning exercise allows for consistency in color from one LED to another and consistency from one fixture to the next in a complete application. To understand binning, it is necessary to know a little bit about how LEDs are manufactured. First, the diode crystal is grown in a giant wafer. This giant wafer is then cut into smaller pieces, which eventually are used in the diode component of the LED. Even though all pieces cut from a single wafer are made from the same material, they are not all the same. A piece cut from one end of the wafer might have a different lumen output and a different color than a piece that is cut from the other end of the wafer. This is why buying LED fixtures from a reputable manufacturer that uses a narrow binning spec is so critical. It is also important to understand that while a smaller binning spec increases the quality and consistency of the light emitted, it also increases the cost of the fixture. Rest assured that all Lithonia Lighting LED fixtures will produce their stated lumen output and color temperature while providing high color accuracy. This is because Lithonia partners with well-known LED manufacturers like Samsung, Nichia, and other reputable manufacturers to provide quality LEDs. But if further validation is desired before buying a fixture, take a look at the fixture's lighting facts label. Lighting facts are similar to a nutrition's facts label, but apply to lighting fixtures. Lighting facts outlines the light output of a fixture in lumens, the watts used, and the efficacy of the fixture in lumens per watt. The color quality is also listed as a number 0 through 100 on the CRI or Color Rendering Index scale. The closer the number is to 100, the better the color accuracy. Lighting Facts also lists the CCT or Correlated Color Temperature. This scale ranges from 2700 degrees Kelvin, which is a warm yellowish color, to 6500 degrees Kelvin, which is a cool white or almost blue color. Additionally, buyers should look for an LM79 testing report to validate an LED fixture's lumen output. Never buy an LED fixture if its lumen output, color temperature, or color accuracy cannot be validated before the purchase. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about the basics of LED. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how LEDs work and why choosing a quality LED fixture from a reputable manufacturer like Lithonia Lighting is so important. Please continue to the next module titled The Future Lighting Market.